question is on factors. Number one, you should first think, okay, check if UBCC can be applied. Check if you can apply UBCC to the answer. UBCC means you are looking at unintended consequences. You're looking at benefits, okay? You're looking at constraints and costs. Okay? But let me help you out a little bit more. I will even emphasize, alright? Especially costs and benefits. UBCC is an extended version of CBA, cost benefit analysis. As long as you can find a cost, you can find a benefit, do this essay. It is a decision-making question. Decision-making. Alright? But the second step is also relevant. If UBCC is not applicable. Okay? So what do you do if it's not applicable? I hate to say this, but yo-yo, you're on your own. It's not decision making anymore. If you can't do this, then it's a question that's content summary. They want you to summarize content. Okay? So, can I give you an example? Right? I can ask you to explain the factors that determine the impact of a tax on consumers and producers. I think some of you have seen this question before. So this question is about incidents, incidents. So primarily you are looking at PED values, right? Is it more than one? Is it less than one? So you can consider things like nature of the good, okay, availability of substitutes, okay, and the like. See, I can't give you a framework for every topic because there are so many cases where they could ask for content summary. It's impossible to catch everything. Can you take a look at 4A and 5A again? Decide which one is UBCC, which one is yo-yo. Okay? Which one is yo-yo and which one is a decision-making question? Is that very clear when you look through the questions again? If you haven't looked through, half a minute. Okay, which one is yo-yo, 4 or 5?